In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to combat spam messages on Instagram by turning on the spam filter. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up Instagram and select your profile icon on the bottom right to be directed to your profile page. Then select the hamburger icon on the top right. And then you want to scroll down underneath how others can interact with you. And you want to select where it says hidden words. So there's something that says advanced comment filtering in here. So you can filter out more comments that meet criteria and will automatically be hidden. You can also want to have hide comments turned on up here that will hide potentially offensive, misleading, or spam comments too. So you can also additionally even hide message requests. So if you consider that a form of spam, you can hide that too just by clicking inside the oval one time to toggle it on. And that's all you would have to do. So as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.